Hi, in front of me is Lenovo K6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Lenovo. First of all, go into menu, find clock and tap on it. Then click on this clock icon at the top left corner and tap on the +1. Over here set up an hour and when you're done, click on OK. Then you can click on these icons over here next to all of those features to disable or enable them. You can also select repeat and pick days of the week manually, or choose once a week, days, Wednesday or every day. Weekend. I will go with weekend, so I have to click on this option. Now click on ringtone and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and selecting OK. But you can also click on more ringtones and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you want to set up and choosing OK at the bottom left corner. Then choose OK over here and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to and save your changes by tapping OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!